In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find jobs near you on Glassdoor. Whether you're job hunting for the first time or refining your search, I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly see openings in the exact area you want. Start by opening Glassdoor on your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Logging in ensures your preferences, saved searches, and alerts are remembered. On desktop, you'll find the sign-in option at the top right. On mobile, look for it in the menu. If the app prompts you to update, go ahead. That keeps everything running smoothly and gives you the latest search features. Next, head to the search bar and enter the job title or keyword you're interested in. Be as specific as you can. For example, try marketing manager instead of just marketing, or add skills like Python or customer success. This helps Glassdoor surface more relevant roles. If you're exploring, you can start broader and narrow down as you go. Click Search to open the job listings page. This is where all available postings matching your keyword will appear. You'll see titles, companies, locations, and snippets describing the role. If you're on the app, the layout may be slightly different, but the search results and filters work the same way. By the way, if you need it, there's a download link for the app and a direct link to the website right at the top of the description for this video. At the top of the listings, locate the location filter. This is your key to seeing nearby roles. It's usually right next to the keyword field or in the filter bar. If you don't see it immediately, expand the filter options. It's there. Enter your desired location using one of the available options. You can select specific cities, adjust the distance to limit how far from that location you want to search, or type a place directly into the location search bar. If you're open to a wider area, increasing the distance will cast a broader net. If you're commuting, choose a tighter radius. You can also try nearby cities to compare opportunities and salary ranges. Once you've set the location, apply the filter. Click Apply or simply press Enter and the listings will refresh to show jobs in the area you selected. Scroll through the results, and if you like what you see, consider saving the search so you can receive alerts when new roles are posted. That's it. You can now easily find jobs near you on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching.